Hi, now I'm in another place in Akureyri at the with the high school in Akureyri. The place is naming Solborg. Þetta háskólinn á Akureyri á stað sem heitir Solborg, and the high school must have a library. I just forget. I'm just always in city library, or do I sit right in Akureyri town library? Oh, it's closed. It's closed. It's closed. Það lokað hana. I try another door. I try another door. As they say in America, I try another door.